Hi besties, welcome back to part 6 of 30 of making your 10-piece product line. This is day 6 of my 365-day orbit on YouTube. Today we'll look at examples and ideas for putting together another different 10-piece product line. I'll be showing you how you could do it with candles. Here you can see some different examples of collections where the containers match, and the fancy style of containers, say the pottery, can be used for decoration in and of themselves and adds value to help elevate your product to a designer level. Here we have a colour palette echoing the colour of the year. This can be made as one set with different colours and sizes to save money if you're just starting out. You can see here there are so many different options and styles you can be choosing from. Here we have some fun examples. You could do a series with different types of cookies. Your cookie set could say be made up of candles like this, and then 4 smaller versions of them like these, and you could have 2 extra big ones as your expensive option. If you're already established, you could say use the 2 most popular scents you have in your 2 larger candles. Or perhaps you're going for a more alternative market. You could use cauldrons as 2 of your expensive options and offer cups, say, as your 4 high priced items, and then have 4, say, tins as your lower priced option. Here you can see different styles of containers. Here is a clean, classic, modern designer look. Or here we have sweet jars used, or here a cork jar, and here a clear glass mug. Don't forget to click that link below to follow along with the free training we're using. That's Renae Christine's viral handmade product line formula. You can find that at www.joreilly.com/formula. The link is in the description below. Thanks besties!